Hi, I'm Divya. So today I'll be explaining you the CIS 575 Lab 02. So in this, we are doing development and integration of CIS system components. So you can find your variant from the course website. So each class ID should do a different variant. So if you want to see the assignment, you can click here. So here you can see the different variants: variant 1, variant 2, variant 3 and variant 4. So in this lab, first we'll be creating some tables in phpmyadmin, which is an online database system, and then we'll be using Microsoft Web Expression Studio to create the GUI components, and then we have to integrate this Microsoft Web Expression and the phpmyadmin online database using PHP programming language. So that's what we are going to do in this lab. So today I'll be explaining you how to use a phpmyadmin online database system. So for that, you have to click, you have to go to this link, playground.bradley.edu, so which will give this site. Please enter your BUnet ID. So I'll enter mine. So I've entered. So since I already have a user, it's giving me like this. So if you want to create your own username and password, you have to create on phpmyadmin. So since I already have a username and password, but I forgot my password, so I'm giving reset password. So I got my new password right here. So you'll have to save this so that you can use it later. So I'm just saving it over here. Now have to click on phpmyadmin and enter the password right here. Click on go. So this is how the php myadmin DBMS looks like. So you can see my schema here. So just click on that. This will give me all the list of tables which I have. So if you see the variant, you can see that you have to create 4 tables: students table, terms table, courses table and majors table. So if you see in my schema, you can see the courses table here, majors table here, students table here and terms table right here. So I'll just click on the students table. So this will give me all the rows in my students table. So I'll show you how to insert and create a table and then insert records in phpmyadmin. So first you have to create, click on new. So it will give you something like this. Now you have to enter the table name. Since I already have students, I'll just give the name as student. Then you have to enter the column name and the data type here. So first will be student ID, which should be integer. I'll give 4 as length. Next is student underscore name. That should be varchar, and I'm giving it as 10 or 15. Now I'll give email ID. So that again should be varchar, and the length is, let's say, 25. Now I'll give gender, varchar 1. Now you can add column by just clicking on go right here. So that should be my major ID. That should be again varchar. That should be CS or CIS. That should be 3. So I have added all the columns. So you can just click on save here. So your table structure is here. You can see all the column names. Now you want to insert data. So for that, click on insert right here. So you have to enter the value, student ID. Let's start with 1. Student name, Divya. Enter the email ID. Gender and major, which is a CIS. Click on go. One row is inserted, you can see here. Now click on insert again. Enter 2 Sam at gmail.com. Enter gender and let's say his CS. Click on go. So now we have inserted another record. So you can see your student table right here. If you click on here, you can see the records for the students table. Divya and Sam is inserted here. This is how you create table and insert records. Now if you want to drop a particular table, what you have to do is just click on the schema right here. It will list all the tables in this particular schema. Just have to select student. Make sure this option is with selected. And you have to just click on drop. So it will ask you, do you really want to execute the following query? Click say yes. So that a student will be removed. I already have students table, which using that we'll work on the next videos. So this is how you work with PHP MyAdmin. Thank you.